The UZ12 Ultralight is the smallest automatic feed machining unit currently offered by the NKO machines lineup. The maximum bevel width that this machine can produce is 12 millimeters, and that limit can be reliably reached in 2 passes. After swapping the kit, you can bevel at angles of 22, 30, 37, 45, or 50 degrees according to the setup you choose. Let us show, step by step, how to correctly set the machine for a representative beveling example on material that is 12 millimeters thick, using a 30-degree bevel, leaving exactly 2 millimeters of stock. To ensure a flawless, accurate, and reliable machine setup, we will use Beveling Solver software. In the touchscreen, we will precisely enter the required values that govern the configuration: the thickness of the material, the included angle, and the chamfer height as specified precisely. Thus, the required bevel is produced by a 2-step procedure. On the C scale, we first set the reading to 7 and then to 2 millimeters, carefully performing each adjustment. On the C scale, we adjust the height of the root. From the beveling solver calculation on the C scale for the first cut, we set 7 millimeters. First, we unfasten the screw on the main roller. Then, using the adjustment screw, we locate the desired value and securely fasten it in place with the lock nut as required. We shall not forget to retighten the main roller's screw once again properly. As the final step before machining begins, we still have to set the position of the upper clamping strip. The correct position of the workpieces must be horizontal with the surface of the lower pressure roller. The easiest way to verify this is to check the sheet's position by eye relative to the main roller. Everything's set up and ready. Let's get to it. When inserting the workpiece into the machine, its edge must remain touching the guide rail. Now is the time to prepare the machine for the second cut. We already know just how to do it. Based on the beveling solver calculation, we will set the final bevel on the C scale to 2 millimeters. Do not forget that we must also adjust the position of the upper pressure bar. If you should wish to adjust the bevel angle, for example to 45 degrees, it is necessary to replace the entire bevel arm, the so-called kit. One very common mistake made by the operator that can even, in some cases, lead to the destruction of the angular arm is the incorrect or improper setting of the securing screws. Let us explain this in more detail. The angular arm has several screws. 2 of them are securing screws and 1 is an expansion screw. During disassembly of the angular arm, and even if the securing screws are sufficiently loosened, a situation may arise where the kit cannot be withdrawn from the spindle. In this situation, the expansion screw can help you. By tightening it a little, you will create a gentle opening of the arm. This makes dismantling noticeably easier. When you are reassembling the angular arm onto the machine, be sure to again loosen the expansion screw adequately so the arm can be securely fastened in place by the locking screws. Warning: the tightening torque specification for all these screws must not exceed 5 Newton meters at all times. During the operation of the machine, there will be situations in which it becomes necessary to remove the tool, whether for regrinding or for its replacement. Let us show you how to do it. A damaged milling cutter may be replaced or it may be resharpened. Please take note that during sharpening, the original thickness of the tool is reduced. This loss must be compensated for by using the included spacers. Use one or a combination of compensating spacers in order to achieve precisely the original thickness of the new tool. Please take note, never more. I almost forgot. Would you like to perhaps make long sheets? That's no problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.